Before I start, if anyone is easily grossed out by unusual foods, it's your own fault. And I don't care. Hi. This is Isabu Kimrai, and this story started when I saw a whole octopus for the first time. I've been wanting to try this, and of course, I had to get it. First things first, I defroze it and washed it in salt and water. It's all clean now. I'll be making the first dish today. This is for tomorrow. I cut them into medium pieces and boiled it for a while. Cut my veggies, fried the octopus, added veggies and spices, and it's ready. I'm gonna eat this with some leftover rice. Okay, here we go. It was definitely better than I expected. I will make the second dish tomorrow. This is day 2, time for second dish. First, I cut the octopus and let it boil for a while. And I'm very excited for today because I have current spicy noodles from Nepal. After boiling, let's cook this. Added some veggies, boiled noodles, and the spices. Mixed it properly and it's ready. Okay, let's eat. So this is the last day and the last dish. And for today's dish, I cut them into smaller pieces and let it simmer. Today I'll be making jajangmyeon. First I cook the sauce, but this is optional. Now the octopus, added some veggies and sauce and water and let it simmer. I have already boiled the noodles and my third dish is ready. Let's mix this. Ta-da! So that was one octopus, three dishes. I ate a lot and my craving for octopus has been finally fulfilled after so many years and I'm so glad I did that. Bye.